Wild lang na siya nga. Dagko. It's cool. Hi. Speedo ka ngayon ko, no? Go, Jacob!
You see that rally? That rally? I get hitting it. Oh my god.
Thank you, huh?
I already.
Enjoy na sila. Snacks. Snack day. Thank you, tita.
Oh, Tita Bol. Love you, Tita.
Ay, naapod si...
Ready, go. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday. Camping 2025.
Raised in the rust, built tough as nails, where the wind cuts sharp and the weak boys bail. I felt the dirt, I've tasted steel, but I ain't never bowed and I never will. Got a backbone carved out of red clay pride, and a fire that don't quit when it's tested or tried. You can bet your last dime and your name on a stone. This fighting heart don't break it owns. I was built for this, for the blood and sweat, for the long shot odds and the no-name bet, for the nights that burn and the mornings rough, for the pain that pounds but ain't ever enough. Yeah, I'm cut from the grit, from the hammer and hiss. You can't stop what was born for the risk. I'm not just standing, I exist, 'cause I was built.
Set up na ang tent. Hi, boys.
Yeah. Hi.
Oh,
Hi, guys.
may plaster na among tent.
I see you guys.
Ano siya?
We're gonna go fishing later.
Hi. Hi. Dagko asa.
I'm Picture Shop.
No, that's the horse's name.
Buttercup.
Buttercup. Buttercup.
Here have chips.
Na sila, ma'am. Hi, ma'am.
I know. Like and subscribe.
Oh, yan. Anak ni ma'am. Just say thank you, guys.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I already.
Enjoy na sila. Snacks na sila. And then napaisa ni abot. Team Argals! Woo! Hi, wait, say. Yaboy.
Like and subscribe.
Yan po ni abot. Bugotlo. Number 2. Mitch, gadagan na ta, Mitch, kasi pila na lang kulang.
Ha?
Si Pearl na lang sila, Kwan. Move, Grayson! Grayson! Team Bagotlo. Nagluto ko og sampagiti. Abante! Happy birthday! Thank you, tita!
Oh, Tita Bol. Love you, Tita.
Ay, naapod si... Uyawa, ay,
Sky.
Ed Skyler! Ed Skyler! Sky! Nag-play pa sila. Thank you, Tita Mitch. Thank you, Mergals. Set up sila og tent. Lovely kayong day, oh. Woo, lovely day. Buyag. Instant ang kuhan.
Amo po delete flat.
Kuya, naman mo airbed mo. Flat ra na pag na airbed. Tapos silang libog sila sa una pag sit up ron. Wapo ilang tent.
Wala ko yung mga pagkaon ron.
Luto tag spaghetti sa boys. Then later on mag-barbecue and then mag-fried chicken pa siguro. Spaghetti sauce.
Happy birthday!
Bubbles. Oh, try si Daddy. Mabi. Ka-cute sa bata. Ay, thank you, Tita Mitch. Hello. Hey, na-set up na. Isa. Set up na sila duha.
Shout out sa patay na patay sa akin.
Tulo. Yan na ay isa dito, si Ma'am, oh. Kaya! Ko lang kaayo ko. Hi, Mon. Naka-set up na horse. Go, 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 go. Hi, may mga ipay na sila na mga boys. Ano na po isa ka team ni Abot. Lawas. Uy, Ilay. Hi.
Si hi tito.
Pogi nga bata oy.
Let's go.
Sing.
Everybody.
To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy.
Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you!
Wait.
Happy birthday!
Sing.
Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday to you. Asa later be.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you!
Once again, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you!
Yay! Happy birthday, boys. Big kiss, daddy. Wow.
Mavi. This is Mavi. Give them na para may space to sa table. Come on. Give them na.
Yay! Outdoor birthday sa mga boys. Kuyawa silang birthday. Oy, nagcamping ang mga boys. Tas celebrate ang birthday. Whew, nice. Thanks, friends. Ayos. Diin na, guys. Time check. 8:31. Plus star na sila dari. Ayusag setup eh. Ami pod, nami dari. Di na nakaset na. Yawa, ko nagloit ni Tito Robert. Oy. Si Rona dari na sa likod kay si Ma'am Rona oh. Dari si Ma'am Rona. Okay ra ka dia, Ma'am? Si Ma'am. Keringit, ngit lagi ang area ni Ma'am.
Di ko anak ko ning suga oh.
Dari ang boys. Play sila dari. Yag kayo. Hi. Suga sa dagdako ra kayo ni nga starter. Yay! Mabi, asa mong chair, Mab? Kon, dito kan beton yung isang chair ni Mabi. Para ba na kay para na.
Diri sa kuha. Kaya na lang si Mother.
Ito ang kuya ko.
Ako diri.
Yay! Look at this, nag-bonfire ang mga bata. Oh, boys, say hi, boys. Boys, say hi sa video. Oh, Grayson, Edge Colors. Say hi, Edge Colors. Yay!
Firing this.
Ginawa aning night, gwapo kay plastada ba? Gwapo kay kwando na.
Sit down because we're going.
Mabi.
One more.
Careful ha, Storm. Careful ha for your
Yay. Sige na, you can na. Not too close, it's Skyler, not too close.
Kaya na too close.
Wala lang kuya.
Don't put in the fire. Okay? Just in the smoke.
Just on top, on top.
Just here, right here, just right here, okay? Just right here, guys.
Just put in the smoke.
Oh, yeah, like nice.
Yay!
Oh, look at marshmallow. Make it
Just on top of that one.
very hot.
Where's Steve? Where's Steve? Don't digest Steve. Don't get it right away.
Mo, naunsa na, nauling na na mo.
Put it this way.
Well done. Cremate.
Tama na to kuya, ato lang.
That's enough naman. Look, turning to black now.
Ah, nagreklamo sila?
Mo, nasunog na.
Bon, that's enough naman. It's turning to black.
Uy, sunog. Wala for lang.
Yeah, that's right.
Ituyok, tuyok, tuyok.
Do you want to make it smaller?
Koy, ituyok koy, para dili mo kuan.
No reaction.
Yeah, that's it, Mab. You can eat that. You can eat that one now, Mab. It's too hot pa, okay?
Bam, 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 bam.
Gitapok na to atong kuan.
Unsa day?
Okay. Should I add more?
Di, goods na siya.
Add more? Mine has wrinkly skin.
Yay! Oh, good job.
Look at mine.
Skylar, you okay? Melt it properly, koy, and then you kuan sa palaman.
I think this is enough. I think
Eh,
this
that's
is
enough. That's enough for you.
One.
The top one, that's enough. Yep.
Simon, don't touch that.
Yay! Ah, napay isa ka bata.
Touch that. Blow it very hard.
Ano yung mga bata, oh?
Daddy, can you help me make this more?
Hang on. Smell. Let's squan this one. Are you okay, Mabs? You eat that one, Mabs? Kuya, give it to me.
S'more it.
Uy, na rin, chocolate dye? Okay, that's it. Hold it. Hold it,
S'more.
It's color, Hold it.
That's ano na, sunog na. Okay, give it to your mommy, Beck. Ay, wait, this side, this side.
The skin.
Lingaw na mga boys. Good job, boy. Bonfire. Nice one. Say, good morning. Mavi, good morning. Nay, kumusta yung tulog, Nay? Kay? Bugnaw? Saba?
Isa tilan? Isa? Amo kasi tonton. Saba. Saba bitaw siya.
Saba kung tulog?
Ha?
Wala ka naman si Sheto.
Kung wala mo natulog.
Naghagok day ko?
Dilis kami na.
Uy.
Oh, just mine. Johnny.
Pagkura na, kita niyo mga lovebird na.
Gawas na itong table?
Papa, morning. Say, oh. Cold morning. Go, Grayson. Go, Jacob.
You see that rally? That rally? I get hitting it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Let's go over me. I gotta go for us.
Sunfly na sila. Hi. What ano? Nice place. Beach. Very fine kayo ang sun. Pier. And dito na nag-fishing. Rock fishing sila dito. Nice.
Nindot dito.
Nice dito.
Tara, ano ka dito?
Tara.
Wala kayo beauty suits lang.
Pero gwapo dito kaya na yung mga wave. Wala dito yung mga picture day, no? Boys!
May gamit sa atong mga kuan.
Nalingaw na mga bata. Apollo Bay. Sige nene. Sige nga side sa Apollo. And not too close to water, please.
I gave them more.
It's cold.
I know it's a starfish. It's star.
Wala jellyfish oy. Starfish ra na.
Starfish. Starfish. Put it in the bucket.
But let's take your boots off, be, Mabs, so you can play sa water, okay?
And I can find more animals.
Oop! Gilabay raman. Para mapil yung water. Enjoy nila ang ilang outdoor. Very good makaini nga camping na to na yung mga inani. Nice kayo panahon. Dili kayo init kapoy kinang init. Pangit ang kanang panahon nga init kaayo nga di ka kalakaw. Inani ang nice. Nice.
Wait, crabs. Bobby.
Ayaw pantuwa dito be. Wala sila nagkuhan. Sige lang sila. I'll bring the crabs here. Grabe ni, nice yung panahon. Hi. Speedo pa ngayon ko ano. Limpyo na. Time check. Alas 6 pa. 6 PM. I-tidy up na namo. Okay, na-forecast na mo ulan. Na-forecast na mo ulan. Yun na. Mami nag-tea. Hi, Mami. Boys. Tago sila kay nag-aambon.
And
We're going home tomorrow morning. Oh.
and we did have a lot of minutes. Oh, look.
Ludugo na ano oy. Oh. Hinay, Mabs. Oh. Ready na mo? Tulog? Relax na. Okay. Kusog pang bagyo ugma. Bakap na mi, mag-sleep na mi, ngit-ngit kayo. Content lang mi. Alrighty. Kira mo diya? Problem ni scanan. No, ni weak yung battery. Weak do. Alam mga wild na kakatu. Lo, suya sa isa oy. Ano pa dito? Mura lang kalapati nila dito ng mga kakatu. Look. Let's go closer. Mabs, come on. Let's have a look this bird closer. Hi. Woo, napa. Wild lang nila ni animal mon. Wild lang na siya nga birds. Dili pwede ni dakpon. Ayan tayo. Asa na sila dito? Mon, give me a little bit mon. Let's feed this one bird mon. Let's go. Again mon. Ay, give me a little bit mon be. Look at this mon. Look at this oh. Yay! Let's go. How about you, Mabs? You wanna try it, Mabs? Yeah, give me a little bit mon, Bimon. A little bit mon. Oh, feed the bird. Feed the bird. Not like that. Let's go. Bye.